Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna show you how easy it is to move the Carplay4All from one car to another. I have two cars actually, and none of them have CarPlay. One of them is a Kia Sorento 2019, and the other is a Mercedes-Benz very old CLC 200 2015, I think. And well, I'm here right now in the Kia, and I have my Carplay4All, a portable CarPlay solution, and also for Android Auto as well. So what I'm going to do is going to show you how easy it is to move this product from one car to another, because I love it. I love having this product here. I can easily play music, watch maps in my car without having to worry about anything. It's just a great product. So I'm just going to remove it so easily. Just take it from here, from the here we go. A little bit of push. It's a very strong suck area. That's all I need to do. Also, I need to remove the power, of course, the power, and also the audio. I'm just gonna turn off my Kia, and I'm just gonna go with my Carplay4All to my Mercedes-Benz. Here's my Mercedes. So as I said before, my old Mercedes-Benz is probably 13-14 years old. Of course, this car didn't come with CarPlay. It's just a basic radio, and we're gonna show you how easy it is to install. Can you hold this for me and just put it in there like that? Okay, thank you. You're gonna film me how I install this product. So as I said, very easy to install. Very easy to install. This has an arm that can be moved left and right, and then with this I'm just gonna put it like that to look good and secure it. And I'm gonna just plug this into the cigarette lighter. Can you show the people the cigarette lighter? There we go. And the other is the audio, and the Mercedes-Benz has the audio in a different area. I'm just gonna untangle these cables. Here is the audio in. Perfect. I'm just gonna put these cables here. There we go. And we're gonna turn on the Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Mercedes-Benz now has an Apple CarPlay. That's why I call it portable.
¿Y les puedes decir hola?
Just hold on a second, love.
Okay.
I'm just gonna put in auxiliary, of course, because the sound is coming from the auxiliary mode. And here we go. We have Apple CarPlay installed in my Mercedes-Benz, portable, because I can move it from my Kia to my Mercedes-Benz. Of course, I can now it's gonna show Spotify, all the things, because I'm in my garage. I don't have internet access, but of course, music, you always have music. Sorry guys, when I put the video, when I put the music, the video stopped. But yeah, the video is coming from the car without a problem. And yes, of course, you have like any other CarPlay solution. You have all the maps, all the audio, everything is now ready in my Mercedes-Benz now with the Carplay4All portable CarPlay solution, and also Android solution as well. Okay, and if you want to find more about Carplay4All, just go to our website www.smartworldcompany.com.